going on, everybody? This is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. I got a really good video for you today. With hail season upon us, you're going to be looking at a lot of roofs. I believe the better we understand roofing, whether that be the roofing components, how a roof is installed, the tools that are used, I believe the more we understand that, or the better we understand that, the better roofing estimates we'll write. So in this video, I wanted to show you how shingles, drip edge, felt paper is actually installed on a roof. Now in this video, you'll notice there's no continuous ridge vent, there's no pipe jacks, there's no turtle vents, nothing like that, no rain caps. I'm just doing a very basic roof installation demonstration. For those who have never installed a roof or watched a roof go on, this is how it works on a smaller scale. Okay, so we've got the roof decking here. So you've got the 2x6 here, the sub fascia, and you got the regular fascia. Normally that's like rough cedar, and then you've got the drip trim. One of the first things that goes on a roof, which covers the decking, is called underlayment or synthetic felt or tar paper, felt paper. But this is synthetic felt. What they do is they just roll it out on the roof, and then they usually square it up with the roof. And then as you can see, where you're supposed to put these button cap nails to secure it down. A lot of roofers, contractors are going with this synthetic felt. It's great, I like it. It's really durable. You can't really rip it with your fingers. In contrast, this is traditional felt paper, and you can see it's kind of hard to deal with. Plus, it rips real easy. See, it's already ripped pretty bad. This stuff is pretty brittle in cold weather. And so what they normally do is they still install it with button cap nails, but initially they tack it down with usually a slap stapler. I would never use felt paper on my house. I would use synthetic felt because it's just a much better product. Now if you're writing your estimate for felt paper, then the Xactimate code is on the screen, and that's for felt paper. Synthetic felt, I've also got the Xactimate code for you as well, so when you're writing your estimate, that's the Xactimate code you're going to use. What's next is drip edge, and so it goes on next, but I wanted to give you all a pop quiz. Is that the proper way to install drip edge? You're going to see a lot of roofs out there, and you're going to notice a lot of times they put the drip edge on the eave, and they've got the felt paper going underneath there. Well, the problem with that is let's say you have a leak that gets in between the shingles. That water is going behind this drip edge, and over time, it's going to rot all of this decking, it's going to rot this fascia. So the proper way to install drip edge on the eave, you want to install it under the felt paper, and then see what happens to the water. It just goes off the roof. So this is the rake. On the rake, you don't want your felt paper over the drip, and here's why. Wind comes, it can get underneath there. This drip keeps this felt paper down and secures it to the roof where no wind can get underneath there. Okay, so the next thing that goes on the roof is the starter strip. So you'll see a lot of starter strip put on like this. So my question to you is that the proper way to put on starter strip? So the next shingle is going to go on like this, right? And we'll just tack this here for a second. So here's the issue, and this you'll see this a lot on different roofs. Look, so this shingle here, here's the seal strip for this first course. When you put this shingle on, then this seal strip is going to be thermally activated, which is right here, right? And then this shingle is going to seal down to this shingle. This first shingle that goes down, look where this seal strip is. So this shingle, this first shingle, has nothing to seal it down. The nails, you're going to put a nail here, and a nail is going to go here. That's all you've got. So this first course doesn't have anything holding it down. It's just going to flop in the wind. So let me show you how you're supposed to install your seal strip. What you're going to do is you're going to take a shingle and just cut it. Okay, so now look, here's the seal strip right there. Now when you put your shingle on, guess what? This seal strip is going to seal this first course of shingles down. If wind hits it, you're going to get a nice seal right there. That's the proper way to put starter strip on. Now you can buy the starter strip on a roll, and it has the seal strip where it's supposed to be. Now it's the same on the rake too. So in terms of the seal strip, when you put your starter strip on, you want this seal strip here, not out here. And so if you run a 3-tab shingle up the rake like this, then that seal strip, see where it's going to end up? So it's going to be right through there, and then wind can get under these shingles from the rake. That's why you're going to cut this off. So you're going to cut it, and so I've already cut this one, and so you're going to put it on the rake, and then your seal strip is right there. That way the edges of these shingles seal down. That's the proper way to put the starter strip on the rakes. Now you can see this shingle is properly fastened. You got one here just below the seal strip, got another one here just below the seal strip, in between the keyway. Same thing here in between the keyway and the seal strip, and then one here on the corner or on the end just below the seal strip. Now this gun has a guide on it, so this piece right here goes at the bottom of the shingle, and then your next one slides down on top. And so let me put a shingle on and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Put that there, shingle slides down, and then you just, okay, ready for the next one. This guide is butting up against the butt edge of the shingle. Slide your shingle in place. So when we nailed this shingle in place, the nails was here, 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 but that gives this shingle 6 nails. Plus it gives the seal strip that keeps all of the shingles sealed down. You got the nails here, but when you put the shingle on top, you've got these nails or fasteners in the top part of the shingle as well. Here, you've got the seal strip right there. So you've got a nice seal here. You've got a good seal here, plus you've got fasteners, and then you've got fasteners up top. And then finally, you've got your ridge cap shingles, which will fold over, and you'll nail them on both sides. Obviously, there's not another side to this roof, but I'm just using this as a demonstration. So that gives you a good overview of what's involved in the roof. You've got your felt paper, you've got your drip edge, you've got your starter strip. Again, seal strip needs to be down here. Then you've got your filled shingles, Your ridge cap, on an actual roof, you're going to have the felt paper cover the entire decking. It's not going to be exposed like this. This is just demonstration purposes only. I had a small piece of synthetic felt left over, so I just used that. On a normal roof, obviously, you're going to have drip edge all the way around. You're going to have your felt paper on the decking as well. Now, to use a silly, overused corporate term, I wanted to give you a high-level overview. I wanted to unpack this information. I wanted to eliminate some pain points, set you up for success. Those are just silly, overused, annoying corporate terms. What I'm trying to say is I hope this video helped. I've got a lot of good videos in the works that I'm doing for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Also, I wanted to thank everybody for watching the videos. For those of you that have subscribed and provided comments, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. If there's videos that you want me to do, put those in the comments below and I'll do my best to work on those. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.